What is this dish in Kurdish? We call it menemen. And the Kurdish pronunciation is meleme. Meleme. And what is this word? Water. Water in Kurmanji is av. Av. And this word, horse, it is hesp. Hesp. And what is this one? A traveling paddler it is? We call it cherchi. Cherchi. And what is this word? Egg. Egg is hek. Hek. And this one, boiled egg, it is heka kelandi. Heka kelandi.